What defines a green building? According to the World Green Building Council, it's a structure designed, constructed, or operated to reduce or eliminate negative impacts on the environment while enhancing our climate. These buildings preserve natural resources and improve our quality of life. Green buildings prioritize energy efficiency, resource conservation, and the use of sustainable materials. At Blue Route Mall, these principles are ingrained in our operations. Currently holding a prestigious 4-star Green Building accreditation and a 4-star Water accreditation from Cape Town City Council, Blue Route Mall has significantly reduced its environmental footprint over the years. Originally designed with 3 1850 kVA diesel backup generators, advancements in energy-saving initiatives now mean only 2 generators are necessary, with a third held in reserve. One of the most impactful initiatives includes the implementation of a building management system that optimizes the mall's HVAC, which is responsible for the ventilation and cooling. This system adjusts timing, set points, and purge ventilation during summer months, maximizing energy efficiency without compromising comfort. During generator operation, power-intensive devices such as chillers and escalators are strategically switched off, while air handling units continue to provide fresh air without cooling. All heater banks are disconnected to further conserve energy. The mall's extensive lighting retrofit to LED solutions spans all areas, including exterior parking zones, back passages, and public restrooms. Motion sensors in undercover parking areas automatically switch off lights after 15 minutes of inactivity, contributing to significant energy savings. Inside the mall, lighting is managed by a combination of time settings, motion sensors, and lux sensors that detect natural light levels, further optimizing energy usage. As night falls, automated systems ensure that lighting circuits in closed areas switch off, minimizing unnecessary electricity consumption. Specific zones activate spotlights upon detecting movement by the cleaning or security personnel, while architectural and strip lights remain off. After 10 minutes of no motion, these spotlights revert to their default off mode. In zones with ample natural light from skylights, lux sensors automatically dim or switch off strip lights on sunny days, contributing to additional energy conservation. During generator operation, an eco mode setting further reduces energy consumption by keeping only essential lighting such as spots and strip lights active in areas without natural light sources. The LED lighting retrofit alone is projected to save an impressive 2 million kilowatt hours annually. These combined energy interventions have collectively led to a remarkable 48% decrease in energy usage across common areas, with future plans to convert all escalators to operate only as needed. Looking ahead, Blue Route Mall is embarking on a solar energy journey. Phase 1 of solar PV installation on the southwest roof is expected to supplement 12.73% of total energy consumption, significantly reducing reliance on grid power. Phase 2 will expand solar panels to the northeast roof and future parking canopies, providing shaded parking while generating clean energy. This additional energy saving means that only 1 generator will be required in the future. Water conservation is equally critical in our water-scarce environment, particularly considering the mall's location adjacent to a green belt and river. Rainwater harvesting and borehole water are integral to our operations. Rainwater harvested from the extensive roof area is fed to a rainwater collection tank before supplying water for car washes, staff facilities, and the waste yard. Borehole water is filtered and used for manual landscape irrigation and in the restrooms. Innovative water-saving technologies include aeration taps in the restrooms with automatic shut-off at night and 66 Propel Air toilets, significantly reducing water consumption from 9 litres to 1.5 litres per flush. Total water withdrawal has been reduced significantly over the last 5 years, with the combined council plus borehole water showing a reduction of 44.25%, while water withdrawal from council alone has been reduced by 33.79%. Our commitment extends to sustainable land use practices. Outdoor parking areas are covered with permeable paving, filled with various sized grit to meet absorption criteria for local groundwater. Regular testing and replenishment ensure the paving's efficacy in managing stormwater runoff, reducing environmental impact. Furthermore, eco-friendly degreasers are used in our parking bays to prevent contamination of stormwater. At our Mercedes dealership and car wash, oil separators are employed to prevent pollutants from entering the stormwater system. Additionally, a detention pond manages runoff water from new buildings on site, allowing water to replenish groundwater at a controlled rate, with excess water diverted only when necessary. In our ongoing effort to minimize environmental impact, restaurant wastewater is treated with enzymes to reduce grease buildup. This proactive measure not only enhances water quality, but also supports our commitment to sustainable water management. Solid waste management at Blue Route Mall is comprehensive. An on-site waste plant sorts recyclables into cardboard, plastics, glass, and tin streams, achieving an impressive 81% by mass diversion rate from landfill. Over 51 tons of organic waste were diverted last year alone, with food waste composting leading to a 95% reduction in carbon impact. As a result of separating out organics earlier in the value chain, we have also been able to improve the recycling of other standard grades by avoiding contamination. Our sustainability efforts already align with the 2027 City of Cape Town targets for waste diversion, contributing to a cleaner environment and healthier community. Carbon emissions saved as a result of all interventions is an impressive 33 tons of carbon dioxide. Beyond infrastructure, Blue Route Mall engages with the community through sustainability initiatives and partnerships. We collaborate with Aspire Youth, a social enterprise providing skills development and mentorship to young South Africans who are currently not in education, employment or training, and have performed various functions in our maintenance program, including basic painting, as well as the upkeep of our permeable paving areas and degreasing of parking areas. Our community-focused initiatives include the Ban the Bag campaign, support for the elderly through Senior Santa shoebox collections, and education programs like the Sustainable Trendsetters Recycling Buildathon, endorsed by the Two Oceans Aquarium. This gave local schools the opportunity to win 10,000 Rand for their school, simply by collecting their own recyclable items which they used to create a structural and functional sculpture. By encouraging these children to recycle in a fun and interactive way, they learnt about sustainability in a practical setting, rather than theoretical learning. As we continue to innovate and collaborate, Blue Route Mall remains committed to advancing sustainability across all aspects of our operations. By involving our tenants and the local community, we strive to create a greener future together.